At night, everything makes sense. You suddenly want to fix your life. Start that project, wake up early, get disciplined. But the next morning, it's gone. Same goals, same plans, zero energy to do them. You've probably done this before, lying in bed, scrolling, then suddenly you stop. And you start thinking, tomorrow I'll wake up early. I'll finally get my life together. No more wasting time. It feels real. You even imagine it. You waking up early, being productive, focused, different. You go to sleep, feeling like something has changed. But morning comes. The alarm rings, you hit snooze. And that version of you doesn't show up. So what's going on? Why do you feel so motivated at night and so resistant in the morning? At night, your brain is in a completely different state. You're tired, your mental defenses are lower, and most importantly, there's no pressure to act. At night, everything exists in the future. And the future is easy. In your mind, waking up early is simple. Being disciplined is simple. Fixing your habits is simple. Because you're not doing it. There's no friction, no effort, no resistance. Just clean, perfect ideas. But morning is different. Morning is real. Now there's an alarm, a cold room, a tired body, and actual effort required. And suddenly, that simple plan isn't simple anymore. Because motivation at night is emotional, but action in the morning is physical. At night, you're imagining the reward. In the morning, you're facing the cost. So your brain chooses comfort, not because you're lazy, but because the version of you at night never had to deal with reality. This is why you feel like two different people. Night you is ambitious, focused, clear. Morning you is tired, resistant, distracted. But they're not different people. They're just reacting to different conditions. So, how do you actually turn night motivation into morning action? 1. Plan small wins at night. Instead of, I'll rewrite my whole life tomorrow, pick one tiny action you can do first thing in the morning. 2. Prep your environment. Lay out your workout clothes, notebook, or laptop. Make it easy for morning you to act. 3. Set a micro-alarm goal. Don't aim for 2 hours of work immediately. Start with just 5 minutes. And momentum will carry you forward. 4. Anchor to a routine. Tie your action to a habit you already do, like brushing your teeth or making coffee. Your brain loves shortcuts. Do this consistently, and you'll see that morning you starts catching up to night you. Motivation at night feels powerful because it's effortless. But real change happens when it's uncomfortable, and you do it anyway. So the next time night motivation hits, don't just enjoy it, prepare your morning to make it real. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. And right now, your system is designed for comfort. But what if you could change that? That's exactly what we're breaking down next. See you there.